on Friday nights and Saturday mornings when the whole camp prayed together, I went to Ramah in the Poconos, and we used to have, everything used to be set up in this huge big semicircle under an enormous, beautiful tree, which was referred to as Eitz Tefillah, the prayer tree. And one day I had a kind of reunion of friends from Ramah, and there were a bunch of kids there, and we had a big tree, not anywhere near as big as that one, but we had a big tree in the backyard, and so we set up chairs back there, and we were going to have services back there. And my mother said that it was very painful to her that although I obviously had organized this reunion because it was at our house, and I had set up the chairs and everything, I wouldn't lead the services. You know, I insisted that one of the boys who was there lead the services because that's what boys were supposed to do. And she said, she told me later that she found that, you know, that was very hard for her. But I bought into that, even though, you know, it rankled to some extent.